Every day, more than 250 million Americans drive to and from work, about 77% of the population. But not everyone prefers a car. Pedestrians, cyclists, and more share these same streets, and there are some dangers involved within a society focused around cars. Much of the blame can be put on driving habits. Rolling through stop signs is common but creates a dangerous hazard for pedestrians and cyclists. Although it may seem like common knowledge that pedestrians have the right of way, it's more common for drivers to ignore this truth. When cars stop too far up, it can block other drivers from seeing the pedestrian, creating a dangerous situation. Now, one law that isn't common knowledge is that while on the road, cyclists have the same rights as cars. In 2024, 611 collisions were reported between cars and cyclists in Utah. Of those crashes, the leading cause was drivers failing to yield, being responsible for 229 crashes. But what can drivers do to help keep things safe? Although it may seem like a small solution, stopping before the stop sign and staying behind the crosswalk can be very beneficial. In addition, looking specifically for pedestrians and cyclists can make a big difference. By doing these simple tasks, drivers can help keep pedestrians and cyclists safe. It's important to remember that we are all sharing the road, and it's more than cars.